You buy a stick blender for soup, then it screams, bogs down, and splatters because the job was wrong. That tiny appliance can either save your weeknight cooking or become drawer clutter. So we're counting down to the one I'd actually buy. Match the batch, the outlet, and cleanup tolerance. Thick blends punish weak motors, and extra accessories need storage. Let's move. Number 3. Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-Speed Hand Blender. I'd buy this only if the blender is an occasional helper, not your main cooking tool. It fits smaller households making simple soups, sauces, and quick beaker blends. The real appeal is how easy it is to grab, because it's the lightest here at 1.6 pounds. You also get a 24-ounce beaker, which suits small batches without dragging out a full blender jar. But this is the budget compromise, and you feel it when ingredients get fibrous or thick. It's loud, it takes longer, and the motor base can overheat if you push it too hard. Skip it if noise bugs you, or if your recipes regularly turn dense. Number 2. KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Blender. Ever fight a cord around a hot pot and wish the outlet were somewhere else? I'd pick the KitchenAid if that annoyance matters more than outright speed. It fits small kitchens, awkward stove layouts, and cooks who want a cleaner setup. The headline is the removable battery, with battery life advertised at 30 minutes for normal-feeling kitchen use. That means you can move from pot to counter without cable gymnastics. But cordless is the trade-off, because thicker mixtures and harder ingredients drain it faster. It also runs slower on fibrous blends than the Vitamix. Skip it if you batch cook dense soups, or if remembering to charge another battery already sounds irritating. Number 1. Vitamix 2-Speed Immersion. This is the one I'd buy for the most straightforward immersion blender job. Hot soup, sauce, puree, done in the pot. It fits cooks who want fewer pieces on the counter and fewer transfers across the kitchen. The proof point is the 350W motor with hot blending support, which is exactly the lane this tool should own. So I wouldn't buy it as a mini food processor replacement. The trade-off is the cord, plus a mostly plastic build that won't feel like a full-size Vitamix machine. It also skips the accessory-heavy path, so you're choosing focus over flexibility. Skip it if cordless movement matters more than pot and pan strength. Here's the quick sort. Cuisinart is the budget drawer tool for lighter, smaller jobs. KitchenAid is the clean counter pick when cords are the problem. Vitamix is the strongest fit for regular pot blending. That's why it lands at number 1. Before you buy, picture your real recipe. If it's mostly soup and sauce, prioritize motor confidence. If it's outlet frustration, go cordless. If it's occasional small batches, save space and money. Prices and bundles change, so check before you buy. I'd take Cuisinart for cheap, occasional blending, KitchenAid for cordless kitchens, and Vitamix for the best everyday pot and pan setup. That's the pick I'd build around. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.